3, which is making a change to a file and committing that change using Visual Studio Code. So I have the repository test opened in Visual Studio Code. So go there. I want to open up this README file. There we go. And now I will make a change to it. Let's just say another small change for VS Code. Then I'm going to save that. There we go. And now you notice over here, it shows a 1, which is saying that there's one pending change. So let's go look at that. It tells me that these are the changes. Now, remember to commit something, we first have to tell Git, well, what files and what changes do you want associated with this commit message? Now, I just have one file here that I've changed, so you only see one, but you can imagine that I could have made changes to lots of different files. And in that case, it's not clear at all what files I want associated with the message I'm about to put in. So to stage things with Visual Studio Code, use this little plus here. So now it says, hey, I've staged this. So when I commit, it's going to be associated with this file. If I had other changes to other files, I could stage them too. So I could have a commit that's associated with multiple files. But I just have one, so I'm done here. And now I put a message, a small change for VS Code. And to commit it, use this little check mark. You can hover over and eventually the little helper message will come up there to tell you what the icon does. And there we go. And it helpfully says this, which is, it's just telling me that I've made 9 different changes that haven't been pushed up to GitHub yet. Now, how do you see the history? So that's a little interesting. Normally, you'd have something here to show history, but in Visual Studio Code, the way that you see it is you go to Explorer, and then you open up the timeline here, and you can filter that just to show the Git history. So now you can see the Git history here. It's all these changes. I can click one, and it'll tell me what the change was. You can see it over here. Okay, that's it.